Hi there, this is Yeo here, back with you inside Commission Revival, and in this video we're going to be talking about a paid strategy, just like what I told you in the last video. Basically, we are going to be using YouTube ads to run traffic to our review videos, and of course this method is so effective, especially if you are just getting started and of course you want an eyeballs to your videos, people to watch your videos, because once you have a cool bonuses, like I always recommend, if you have a cool bonuses, then definitely people will buy from you. Doesn't matter even if you are just getting started. And of course, another great thing about YouTube ad is that it's literally cheap. It's very cheap, because you can literally get like 10 cents, 5 cents, even 3 cents per single click per visitor that actually click on your video, which is awesome for just getting started. So literally you can just spend maybe $5 to $10 in one video campaign, and of course it will bring you, imagine the kind of return you get. Let me just show you some proof of me actually running YouTube ads. As you can see, this one is a product that was just launched a few days back, a TwitchX front end unlimited. As you can see, the tracking code here says YT ads, YT ad. Unfortunately, this one has been refunded. YT ads. So that is to actually show you that YouTube ads actually works in as much as you have the right training, which is what I'm going to be walking you through inside this video. So but for you to actually run YouTube ad, you must make sure that you actually follow all those steps we did in the front end of this course, teaching you how you can literally make the review of video. So because you need to make the review video before you can run an ad to this on platform. So just click on ad, go to ads.google.com, register an account, is free to use. So click on add new campaign. So the next thing to do is to click on create campaign without a goal. Just leave all these ones, click on it. Once you click on it, you want to make sure you select video campaign, and of course you want to make sure you just click on continue. It is at the custom video campaign, meaning you are the one to create it yourself. So as you can see, it's basically just two-step process. So it will ask you for campaign name. Usually I used to name it based on the name of the product I'm promoting. So for example, let me just say is this product Kishio Vid. That is the product we've been actually using. So Kishio Vid, that is the name of the product. Bid strategy, just leave that maximum CPV, which is cost per view. Then total campaign budget, normally I don't used to go with that because YouTube will literally spend your money all. I used to go with daily campaign budget. So click on the dollar icon and of course put what you want to spend per day. So you can literally just spend $5 is okay, even though you are not going to be spending all the $5, because it depends on the number of people clicking on your video. If people doesn't click on your video, then definitely your campaign is not going to your money is not going to be, you are not going to be charged the whole $5 in a day. So of course you want to leave that as immediately as you publish your campaign, it will be published. Once it's approved, it will start running. Once people are searching on this on YouTube, your video will be popping up. So for location, you want to make sure you choose this Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, and of course US, because these are one of the top tier countries, and of course they have the money to buy what we are trying to promote. So scroll down and click on this one that says inventory type. Don't worry about this one, leave it. Then excluded tab, you want to make sure you click on it and you click on embed YouTube videos and live stream videos. So you don't want your ad to actually show on those things. Then related videos, just leave that. Then you also have additional settings, which is some people tend to actually play around with this one on mobile, on tablet or TV screen, but remember these ones are low ticket products, so even on mobile someone may decide to actually buy it. So this one campaign, I'll also call it Kishio. Then demographics, you want to make sure you click on it. Everybody just uncheck on none, uncheck these ones, uncheck, then close that. Then for audience, so you might have not actually have any audience, so for now just leave this one. Then the next thing, you have a keyword. So keyword is basically where you want to put those keyword, your video review. Of course, if it is Kishio Vid review, then you put Kishio Vid review, Kishio Vid bonus, buy Kishio Vid, get Kishio Vid. These are all the things you want to make sure you put inside this keyword tab. So for example, you want to make sure you put something Kishio Vid review, then you enter, then you put the main keyword itself, Kishio Vid, then you go down by Kishio vid, then you also go get, so something like that. So but you want to make sure you don't use the word scam, because all these people doesn't actually allow the word scam. So click on this one, copy it, copy the keywords, go to a tool called keywordwrap.com, enter the name, all those things that you literally have them. So you want to make sure you have all of them. You can use the tags, but remember, if you are using your tags that you just save, you need to remove these commas, and of course you can come down to your keyword wrap and put them. So once you put them, click on wrapped keyword. So basically you want to copy the exact match. So this is what is exact match, this one's in the box here. So click on copy. Once you copy, then you can go back to your ad campaign and of course delete these ones and paste these ones. So if you take a look at, okay, I'm sorry, this one has no copy, so copy, go back and then highlight everything and paste it. So as you can see, it's having a square bracket at each end. Basically what this one is telling Google is that you only want your video to show up once people search on the full words Kishio vid review. That is when your video is going to show up. But if somebody search on review, you don't want your video to show up, because you might have not know whether they are even interested or they even know the product. But if they search on Kishio vid, then you want your ad to show up. If they search on buy Kishio vid, then you want your ad to show. So that is the reason why I want to put this square bracket. Else if you don't put that, then definitely your ad will be triggered whenever somebody search on any of the word within your keyword. So, and of course you don't want somebody to just search on buy and of course your keyword should pop, your video should pop up and they click on it and they don't even know what the product is all about. Remember, we are always trying to target people that actually knows a little bit about this product from the big affiliate. So that is the essence. Make sure you do that. The topic, you want to make sure you just leave this one. Once you choose the keyword, I think it's okay. Then for bidding, you want to make sure I always go for 50 cents. So but even though your stuff is not going, your bidding is not going to cost you 50 cents, so Google will actually optimize everything for you. So your YouTube videos, this is where it gets interesting, because this is where you are going to copy your video. That is why I told you you need a video. So paste it. Once you paste your video, you want to choose video discovery, because you want only when people are searching on this to actually find your videos. If you are using Instagram ad, you need to actually have some sort of call to action videos, and of course we are not after that. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like on your mobile. And then if you check a desktop, this is how it's going to look like once people search on YouTube. So you want to make sure you write a headline. Maybe you've put a Kishio vid review, then you write maybe amazing, then you also write a little bit of description, then you can write maybe launch discount and mega bonuses, something like that. For description number 2, you can just put maybe bonus, just write something that is catchy. Bonuses is okay, it's just that because it is of course must for you to do. That's why we are writing something there, but our goal is to be at the top of YouTube. That is what we are trying to do. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like on your PC, and of course something like this. And if you check mobile, this is how it's going to look like when somebody search on that particular keyword on YouTube. So this method is super effective because you literally bypass all the ranking. You don't want to wait too much, a month before you actually get the traffic. So that is why it's super cool and super important. So click on create a campaign. So once you click on create a campaign, then your campaign will now be published on YouTube. As you can see, it says congratulations, your campaign is ready, continue to campaign. And of course once you do that, it will take you back to your campaign, and your campaign is live. Once people start searching on this, and of course they will find your video. So, and of course I've shown you the proof of my tracking, because I use my tracking. And that is why with this video you don't need to actually change anything. You've already done all the SEO, all the links that you're supposed to put in your YouTube description. I've shown you how to do it. You already have that, and of course once they're watching your video, they'll actually follow your instruction to buy the product and of course get your awesome bonuses. So that is actually this the last video on this training series. I hope you enjoy, and of course if you have any question, I'm always available for you to actually answer you soon as possible, as soon as I see your question request. So that is actually that. And of course, if you are interested in getting the whole of this training as your own, meaning you can literally sell this course as your own, then you can pick up the next upgrade, which is upgrade number 2, and then you can stand a chance of actually selling this course, of course, as your own, and keep 100% of the money for yourself. So that is that. I hope you enjoy this video training series from front end up to this stage. So thank you and see you. Bye bye.